What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back today with another one. This one is for Guaranteed Leads IO. Basically, I'm back to show you guys there has been a new update. They have a new video that they've added, so I'm going to show you guys that. But this system right here, Guaranteed Leads IO, allows you to be able to earn $75 commissions, guys. Unlimited commissions over and over and over. This system is a one-time payment, no monthly fees, $125 one time to get this system. You can receive your $75 instant commissions any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, however you want to receive it. This system also allows you to have access in your back office to this third-party company that offers targeted leads, leads that they have interviewed. These folks have raised their hand and said they're interested in making money online, and they have $400 to spend on a home-based business. You'll get access to that. That's optional. You don't have to use this service, but it is going to be accessible for you to use if you so choose to do so. Okay, but on the front end, you're able to earn the $75 commissions. Okay, but to get access to this company, you have to purchase the system. It's $125 one time. All right. So this is the sales page that you see right here. They have this video. Watch this. Check it out. Come down, read over everything. If you have any questions, reach out to me. This comes with a one-up comp plan. A reverse one-up is what they call it. What that means with this program is your very first sale, your $75 sale, you will pocket that one. Okay, but then the second sale will pass up to your sponsor. Okay, so everybody has to pass up their second sale. And then the third sale and beyond, you will keep all those sales. But just think about the leverage you're going to have from everybody that signs up with you. They're passing up their second sale. The system is going to do this automatically, so you don't have to worry about doing that. It's on autopilot. All right. So, awesome system. I've been in it from the beginning and have earned numerous $75 commissions. It comes with capture pages, the autoresponder, all that is included. You don't have to get a third-party system with this. And it's just a great system. You can promote your business opportunity. By the way, if you have a business opportunity that you would like to promote, you're able to put that link in the back office, so when people sign up with you and they log into the back office, they can see what your primary business is. Okay, so you can start today for $125 one time, guys. Okay, so what I want to do is go to the email, and you get this page is coded to you. Okay, by the way, so that's pretty cool. All right, so let's look at the email we received on Easter Sunday, letting us know that we have this new updated video. All right, let's check it out. Okay, right here they sent this email. Happy Easter to all who celebrates. God bless you and yours. News you use. The promo code video on the dashboard is live. Plus we have a new sizzle video. It's cool. Please see the new update in your back office for all the details. The system will direct you to it upon logging in. So click here to log in. So let me log in. Okay, I'm logged in. It says marketing promo code. Okay, so here's my promo code 8681. All right, so this is telling you here. Let's check it out.
Hello, Guaranteed Leads member. My name is Sam, which stands for Sales and Marketing Machine, and I'd like to welcome you to the promo code video. Using your promo code provides an alternative marketing option, something different, something unique. In addition to using GuaranteedLeads.io or any of your current websites, you can also advertise GuaranteedLeadSystem.com. That's GuaranteedLeadSystem.com. Although the design of this page could periodically change, what will always remain is the use of the promo code. That is your unique code that connects the new lead to you. as opposed to another GL member. You'll see your promo code beneath this video further down the page. Simply advertise guaranteedleadsystem.com, plus your promo code for a unique twist in your marketing efforts. We have ready-to-use promo videos under the Marketing tab to assist you. Go post on your social media, send an email, or share with someone right now and see what happens. Take action. Get results. Enjoy and let us know how you like this new promotional option. See you again soon. Ciao for now.
Okay, here's my promo code, guys, 8681. So let's take a look at this video. Hang on. Let's see.
GuaranteedLeadSystem.com.
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 GuaranteedLeadSystem.com. The name says it all. Our system provides access to real, legitimate, phone-verified human beings interested in your business opportunity, and automated SMS text follow-up over and over for maximum results. We also offer instant and residual commissions for every referral to this ultimate done-for-you home business recruiting system. Totally generic, totally lucrative, totally guaranteed. Visit GuaranteedLeadSystem.com right now and enter the promo code included with this ad. A promo code is required for access. Welcome to the next level of automated home business success. Almost.
All right. So if you use that website they gave you guys, you can just test it out. You want to put the promo code in there, right? My promo code is 8681. All right, so when you get there, you put in 8681. Okay, that's how that goes. All right, guys, so check out this system, Guaranteed Leads IO. I'm gonna put a link in the description because actually I like this page right here. They have a capture page. All right, I'm gonna test this one out as well to run some traffic to it. But if you want to go to the website that they gave you, just make sure you put in 8681. Test it out, see how you like it. But a great system. It's been running for a while now. And again, there's no middleman, so this thing, you're going to be paid directly from the person that signs up with you. Okay, that's the thing I love about affiliate marketing, member to member. You're going to be paid directly from the person that clicks your link and makes that purchase. Okay, they're going to pay you any way you want. All right, so you decide. You'll set that up in your back office: Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, you know, what have you. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. You know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.